In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in Manychat in just 5 minutes. Manychat is a powerful tool that allows you to automate your communications, engage with your audience, and grow your business across multiple messaging platforms. Whether you're new to the world of chat automation or looking to streamline your customer interactions, setting up an account is your first step towards harnessing this power. So, let's dive right in. First things first. Open your web browser and navigate to manychat.com. It's always a good idea to ensure you're using a modern, updated browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, as this tends to provide the best compatibility and security for accessing web applications. Once you arrive at the Manychat homepage, you're going to want to look for the Sign Up for Free button. This usually stands out on the page, perhaps in a different color or size, making it easy to spot. Clicking this button will initiate the registration process, and rest assured, there's no cost to get started. Next up, you'll be given a variety of choices on how you'd like to sign up. Manychat offers the flexibility of using several of your existing accounts to register. You might see options to sign up using your Facebook, Google, Apple, or Instagram account. These options are there to make the process convenient, allowing you to leverage credentials you're already familiar with. Once you decide which platform you'd like to use, go ahead and click on it. For example, if you choose to sign up using Google, clicking this option will redirect you to Google's sign-in page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your login details and grant permissions for Manychat to access certain account information. This is a standard procedure, ensuring that Manychat can seamlessly integrate with your chosen platform and facilitate the necessary features. Once you've granted these permissions and completed the sign-in, Manychat will take care of the rest. And just like that, you're now ready to start exploring Manychat's capabilities. Whether it's building automations, connecting different channels, engaging directly with customers, or nurturing important leads, Manychat is designed to simplify this process and enhance your business communication strategy. Remember, setting up your Manychat account is just the beginning of your journey into effective chat marketing. As you get familiar with the platform, you'll uncover a myriad of features and integrations to help you achieve your goals. So, take that first step, log in, and start exploring the possibilities. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy chatting!